Ako si Enrique Adrid. Nag-work ako sa Saza Corp bilang isang machine operator, programmer at PyTA operator.
Right.
I'm Ailey Anunciacion. I'm the senior designer for Mobler Contract Group Inc.
I'm Candice Ponce. I'm Guangco, Development Corporation, designer.
I'm Rina Paladan from S&E Solutions. I'm a production coordinator.
I am Irish Paduit. I'm from the Canadian Kitchen Company and I am the technical designer head of the company.
Based on my experience using Python is doing a drawing and parts list at the same time. So it's more convenient because I used to do manually like in Excel all the boreholes using CAD and drawings, and then 3D another software, and then another software for parts list. While using Python, I'm already doing it in one software.
That's wonderful.
Nung nagamit ko yung PyTA, parang mas na-feel ko na mas madali siyang gamitin. Kasi meron akong may mga software din ako nagamit before. Pero yung PyTA talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat.
Alright. Mas mabilis yung production. Mas accurate siguro yung mga sizes. Less mistakes sa output ng product. Yun. Mas mabilis siya.
Mabilis yung paggawa ng certain drawings and then the 3D itself and showing how the nesting works, the parts, and like for us, we're a modular company. It is important na yung technical aspect is not a transfer, not just from the current production works but also din dun sa drawing. So I think na fast pacing of works from drawing into reality to production. Yun yung nakikita kong isang good cause.
Yun, ma-recommend ko sa mga modular or other industry na mas okay yung Python kasi hindi na gagamit ng parang maliles na tayo mag-AutoCAD, SketchUp. Parang nandun na lahat eh. Input ka na lang ng mga data. Kumbaga, less sa oras, sa effort, yung mga ganun. Mapapadali lahat. Yun.